Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mention people in WhatsApp status updates. So this is a pretty new features on WhatsApp, status mentions, and it might be not available to you yet because it's still on I think on beta, but you can try to update your WhatsApp apps. You can find it on the Google Play Store and then update if there is any available update. So you can mention someone to let them know that you've shared a status from them to see. So what you need to do if you want to if you want to mention people on your WhatsApp status updates, first you can just launch the WhatsApp app, and then you can click on this updates at the bottom, and now you can just tap on the that status that you want to create. You can write, or you can also choose a photo. So I'm going to just click on the camera icon. Then here, for example, I'm going to just take a picture to update, just like this, for example. And now in the text field in here, or in the caption section, there will be the symbol ads symbol. This is what you are going to use to mention the contact name on your WhatsApp, the one that you want to tag or mention. You can just tap on that and you'll see your contacts in here, uh, your friends on WhatsApp. You can choose which one that you want to mention. For example, I want to mention this person's right here, so click on the contact on the drop down menu and then tap on a check icon. So now the contact has been selected, but you can also add more than one, so you can mention up to 5 people in a status at a time. So when you mention someone, they will be able to see your status even if they aren't in your status audience, and they can also receive a message in the chat tab with a link to the status and be notified separately if you mention multiple people in one status. And they can also edit and reshare the content of your status to their own audience. So the tagging feature or the mention feature allows you to highlight something important to others and tag them so they don't miss your update. And it is the users are tagged privately or mentioned privately, and not everyone will know that you've mentioned someone in the status. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.